Hi, everybody, along with Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski. Welcome to St. Louis, Missouri. Ray, listen to the energy in the arena here tonight. They know it's critical. The players know it's critical. What's the message here?
Oh, there's really nothing that can't be said that isn't so obvious. Hey, series is time. We got a chance to take the lead. Play our best game. Be as aggressive as you can.
We are just seconds away now from puck drop. Don't you just love playoff hockey? Listen to this place. Let's get after it. And it's a quick pass to McCarr. And that's a great read to force the turnover. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Grabbed along the boards by Rantanen. Can't connect on the pass. And now it's grabbed by Landeskog. The Avs played along the wing. And he's able to handle that one.
Binnington's not missed a beat tonight. That stop piggybacks the shutout he had last game.
Good battle along the boards for the puck. The Avalanche have taken over in the neutral zone. Quick pass to Landeskog. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that's turned aside by Binnington. O'Reilly's got it along the boards. Along the half wall with the puck. Oh, off the post!
Hey, how about a bounce? Would you? Seriously, James? Call a goal sooner or later. This game doesn't have one, and that one goes off the goalpost.
And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. St. Louis has the puck. Pushes it across to Buchnevich. Here he is in front! Big save! Passes it over to Kadri. Here they come on the attack. And he takes a shot. Knocks it away with the paddle. Great poke check. The Blues are in transition. Colorado's got a hold of it against the wall. Big open ice hit.
Was it ever? He really closed off the room. Nowhere to go.
Oh, and a great save by Binnington. They gain the offensive zone from the middle. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. The Blues have it against the wall. Maintains possession. Puck scooped up by Crew. And that's deflected. Now a quick pass to Johnson. Denies him with the save. Wait, no, it's in. It's in the net. It's in the net.
He's looking at the replay up on the clock. He can't believe that this puck hit him as it did and still went into the net.
When he uses his tape-to-tape superstar ability to pass the puck firmly and accurately, good things happen, and we saw it on that play, guys. His team ends up with the goal, and he gets rewarded with an assist for that great setup.
The Blues look to start the transition game. Saad's got the puck in his own zone. Here's a short pass to Thomas. Puts it on goal. Oh, all tied up with a goal.
Really good play to score and to get this game back to even. Now we'll see who can grab momentum. Man, James, instantaneously the goalie was not happy getting beat up top on the blocker side. They don't like that one. That's one they think they should stop almost every time.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, it's all tied up. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Takes it at center. Here he is, wrists it on net. And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play.
Both teams are set. They're ready to drop the puck.
16 minutes, 55 seconds.
The Avs will go to work here in the offensive zone. Fantastic save! Scores! He buries it!
Well, the game is level to this point. You get a chance, you finish it off. Now you can play from in front. That's about as lucky as you can get. You need some puck luck most of the time to win. There's a good chunk of it.
The Avalanche have the go-ahead goal here in the first.
You get yourself out front, and it really matters a lot. In particular, in this first period, you can start to set the pace of what the game might look like.
Moves it to Makar. Slides the pass over to McDermott. Takes it into the slot. Puck picked up by Barbashev. Quick feed to Saad. Slides it to Falk. Moves it quickly over to Scandella. Shot! Shuts it down with the paddle. What a stop! Horn sounds, bringing an end to what has been a pretty fun start to this one. Still lots of hockey still to come, so get ready here on EA Sports. Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. The Blues win it. Quick pass to Bushnevich. Colorado's gained possession along the boards. Here's a short pass to Makar. Oh, and he turns on the burners, and they'll wave off the icing here.
I thought that was a gimme icing call, but he was able to beat the defenseman down the ice to the puck. Keeps it alive.
James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. Colorado's up 2-1, and the crowd has been enjoying this one. The Blues win it in the defensive zone. Moves it to O'Reilly. St. Louis has it in the defensive end and tries to make a diagonal pass to Tarasenko. Poked away at center by McKinnon. Quick feed to O'Reilly. Oh, he'd like to have that pass back. And he makes the save. The Avs get a hold of the puck along the boards. Carries it across the line. A shot! What a save by Binnington. Moves it quickly over to O'Reilly. Takes the feed. There's another for the hit parade. Puck grab by O'Reilly. He takes a moment to backtrack but maintains possession. Looks like there's a delayed penalty being called here by the officials. Pass back to the point. Picked up along the wall by Perron. Whistle blown, stopping the play. The Avs will serve 2 minutes in the box.
About halfway through this play, you can see him. I'm in the wrong spot. He should have let him go. He didn't, and he gets called.
And he's going to pay for it now. St. Louis gets set to go to work on the power play for the first time tonight.
They might not get too many chances better than this, James. Down a goal and a critical power play.
Colorado's got the puck in the defensive end. The Blues gain possession along the wall. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Slides it back to the blue line. No room for that one to get through. Pass it up ahead. Trying to engage a little physicality here. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. They'll want to clear the zone here while they're trying to kill off this penalty. And the puck skips off the glove. Grabs the puck in the corner. Oh, he'll feel that one. Picking up steam in the offensive zone. Colorado's lead is still intact after a solid effort by the penalty-killing unit.
Oh, they're going to rue that one. A chance to even the score here. They didn't get it done. and we go back to even strength.
Oh, what a save by Bennington. St. Louis has it near the wall. From center, they get into the attacking area. Back at the point, they set it up. That's turned away with the pad by Kemper. Colorado's got it into the offensive zone. Fires one. That's gloved by Bennington. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, you know, I won't complain.
Replay gives you the same result as live time. Goalie turns away a good scoring chance.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. The Avs lead at 2-1 in what has been an entertaining game thus far. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. The Blues will play it from the defensive zone. Hangs onto the puck. Quick pass to Shen. St. Louis gains the zone. Here's a shot. Pad save. He's on it tonight. Streaking through center, they go on the attack. Puts it on net. He scores! That's Mikko Rantanen!
He's playing the percentages, drops into the butterfly, but it doesn't help him. He gets beat pretty cleanly.
He made stick handling look so easy on that play, guys. His puck-on-a-string superstar ability means he can make a few moves, and it led to that great goal.
The Avalanche have gained control of the puck in their own zone. The Blues take possession here in the open ice. Slides the puck over. Oh, what a save in front! And they won't connect on that one. It's been a tightly contested affair this far as the period comes to an end.
You want the assurance of knowing you have a ticket to all the big games? Then grab our season ticket. Guarantee your seat for the upcoming playoffs. On the box office.
Don't go anywhere. The third period is just moments away. Minutes in the books. Big third period coming up for both teams, and we're ready to go. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. Well, we've got 2 periods under our belts to this point so far, Ray. How do you see things?
St. Louis is pretty fortunate this game is close. They've generated very little offensively in the first 2 periods.
Taken by Parayko. Here's a short pass to O'Reilly. And he comes up with it. And he regains control of the puck. Puts it on goal. Great stop by Bennington. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line.
Bennington's made a great save here. That was a dangerous play.
Still plenty of time left in this frame. Crowd's been into this one right from the get-go. It's 3-1. The Avs win possession here in the open ice. Feeds the puck over to Landeskog. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that's denied by Bennington. Great stick work as he pokes it away. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Quick reflexes give him the opportunity to make back-to-back stops.
The Avs scoop it up along the boards. Moves it to Rantanen. Colorado's got the puck against the half wall. Denies him on the play. And he slides it quickly to Tarasenko. Slides it on over to Rantanen. Colorado's got the puck against the boards. And the goaltender comes up with a piece of it to keep it out of the net. Here's a blast. And now it's grabbed by McKinnon. And that's knocked away in the defensive end by Perron. And Serves up a little knock on the play. Pass to Parayko. With possession along the wall. Colorado's got the puck in their own end. The Blues gain control of the puck. Keeps hold of the puck. Takes the feed. Gains the zone through center. Here's a shot. Denies him with the pad. Colorado's moving it along the wing. Quick feed to Burakovsky with the stop. Along the wing up the neutral zone. St. Louis plays it along the wing. And that's blocked. The Avs take it across the line. Snaps one on net. Oh, he got a piece of it to keep it out.
Away from harm's way. That's a good save.
Made the save on the play. And he slides it quickly to Johnson. There's the whistle as the puck heads out of play.
Rantanen's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Getting into the later stages of this period, Colorado's got a 3-1 lead. Kadri's won the draw. From the point, they take control of it. And now he moves it to Girard. And sends it just out of reach. Picked up along the boards by Girard. He carries the puck up along the wing. Puts it to the front of the net. Scores! 3 is the magic number.
Man, that goalie is getting just torched down there. 3 in a row here. I don't think the goaltender gets a look at this at all, James. He just drops into the butterfly. He's hoping the thing hits him through that traffic.
The Avs are in cruise control here, but they're showing no signs of letting up.
No, the lesson began about 2 hours ago, and it's not class out yet.
Puck scooped up by Falk. Moves it quickly over to Buchnevich. Receives the pass. Kicked away. Nice pad save by the goaltender.
Kemper's been sharp when he's had to be. He's got a good save percentage here tonight, and his team's in good shape.
Quick pass to Girard. Oh, great glove save by Bennington. There's the whistle as the puck stopper elects to hang on.
Kemper's probably had a few saves tonight he's felt better about than that one, but he got just enough of it to keep it out of the net.
Play set to resume with the face-off ready to go. O'Reilly's won the face-off. St. Louis moves ahead with the puck. And they'll go on the attack. Great pressure by Comfer.
Colorado's dominance tonight can be attributed to the way that they played positionally. They've smothered the game, and they are way out in front.
Here's a short pass to Scandella. Breakaway! Stopped by the puck stopper!
Yeah, beaten is the term, James. The goaltender beats the shooter on that one-on-one confrontation.
Here's a shot. Long jam in front. That's broken up. There it is. Final horn sounds. We are all over here with this one. A deadlock no longer here as they've taken a 2-1 series lead now.
The pressure grows exponentially game by game in a series. I thought they responded better than their opponents and are full marks for their 2-1 series lead.
For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. This series will continue on, and we will talk to you then. Good night, everybody.